Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur number plate in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and don't know how to blur number plates, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app and click on the plus icon to add the photo. Here, click on Tools at the bottom menu. And here, click on Healings option. Now select the number plate carefully and brush over the number plate. And once you're happy with the result, simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we can blur number plates in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.